Hello guys, how are you? It's your boy Omais Rehman, and today we are back with another video. First of all, I'd like to say thanks for all of my viewers and who are new to my channel. I welcome them and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notifications. So let's get started. Today I have a really amazing software for you guys where you can enjoy a lot with. So let's get started with Klick Courses. It's basically a monetized talent with this Kajabi killer that I hope you guys are familiar about the Kajabis. They're also a platform where you can make your online courses as well that get us students to complete their courses and get certified and monetize their credits. So that's basically the same way, but they have some more options than Kajabi. We're gonna separate them accordingly in this video. This is the easiest and quickest way to monetize your knowledge and talent and make your income double, triple, 10 times more. It's all up to you. And like these are some headlines you can see, and some people are really focusing on keen saying one thing about this quote that is really popular. Always invest in yourself. Warren Buffett. I hope everyone familiar with that one. I think this is really catchy one because obviously if you cannot invest on yourself, then I don't think so anyone can trust your ethics, trust your viability. So I personally think that is the most beautiful quote I also heard as a motivation. But yes, return of investment is the best one when you get invested on yourself. So you can invest it on your skills. It means that like you can invest it on your skills. Like if you are really good at teaching, you can go for it. If you're really good in sports, go for it. If you're really good in marketing, go for it. Like if that's the investment we're talking about, invest in yourself. So basically that's what we're gonna do in this software. We're going to make a also make a tutorial and demo for you guys so you can see how you can make your courses and how easy it is to earn from this one. So you can keep reading it and I will gonna help you with it step by step. And I'm gonna show you some bonuses that they are giving if you purchase this one-time offer. Yeah, that's the part. Like that is a comparison where what I was talking about in the beginning, like Kajabi and Trackable and key courses. These are the features they are giving. Some are there like unlimited because there's no, but in this one you can get unlimited courses as well. Like that's a comparison you can get. Like in $99, these are the few things you can get, and in $129 you only get these are the items in this category. But for the key courses, $67 you can get all the time best deals. Like you can do customer domain name, SSL security, customization, site design, courses upsell, unlimited courses, and also as well unlimited student quiz certifications, course credit, on-time pricing. Like it's all up to you. In this one time only offer $67. So let's dig in a little bit more, and then we're gonna go for the demo to see how you can make your own online courses. There it is. The first bonus they are giving if you just buy this software, then this is a special bonus. This one is to access your exclusive VIP Facebook membership. And the bonus number 2 is 90 minutes of the professional key course training. And bonus number 3, you can get a module trainings course, create a course within 24 hours. And the bonus number 4, training perfect webinar creations. So, and last but not least, course number 5, 30 days product launch course, make 6-figure in a week. So basically you can get these courses free with bonuses as free bonuses as well if you just go for the one time click on the link I will give it to you below. So like I said, we're gonna do the demo as well, so let's get started as well. So basically this is the dashboard we're talking about, and you can see here there's users, you can adjust students, institutions, there's a course categories and the courses, some quiz coupons that you want to give out to the students, how they can redeem them and get a benefit from that one as a bonuses as well. Like you can put your pages there as well. Also some social apps that you can just chat conferences with your students and teachers, tutorial and bonuses as well. So let's start it, and we're gonna start with the course. We're gonna click on it, And then these are some courses that they already make, but I'm going to show you how to make your own, and we're going to go for the add new one. You can choose any category that you want, like we're going to go for affiliate market video training. We can go for that one. Just enter a category name, like we're going to go for marketing. Okay, add some little bit description if you want to, and save category. Where it is, there it is. You're gonna go for it. After that, oh sorry, yeah, we're gonna go for the that's a category, and then we're gonna go for the courses. Apologies for that. And here we're gonna make some courses. And how you going to make your courses? You can see it right there. We already make a category there, so if you can check it out. First, all those categories are gonna come all the way up here. See, we're gonna go for the one we already selected. Then videos, select institute. You can post the images from whatever, if you have it on your system, you can upload it there, and then a preview video also here. You can add a title. We're gonna go for marketing courses. You can go next, and then you can type some courses information there as well. Marketing, I'm just giving you examples, so you can just add whatever specific way you want it. So we're gonna go for next. That's the part where you're gonna selling. You have to put your selling price. Let's go. We're gonna go for $20. MRP rate of 15, and apply to credit whatever you feel like it, and whatever it is. And we're just gonna go for. I'm just giving you examples like how you can do it. If you can set a percentage as well or fixed as well, is a fixed one. Or if you can add some commission in there as well, inactive and active statuses as well. You can also relevant courses name there as well, and we're gonna go for the next one. It's all up to you if you want to go for subscription or you want a one-time purchase. It's up to you. If you want a subscription, you can add your monthly and additional iteration installment cycles, I mean to say. And if you want to go for one time, it's all up to you. I'm going to go for one time. And hyperlink source to redirect. You can get any link from there that's related to your courses, and you can add your link there as well, and just upload up image and enable disable, and then go for finish. So your course will be here. See, so it's basically that much easy. You can publish your courses here, and then you're gonna start working on it. So you can see it online, like I said, and give your students tuitions there as well. And like we talk about the courses quiz as well, we're gonna go for the quiz as well. If you want to give quiz to your students, your teachers, monthly basis, weekly basis, you can add quiz here as well. Like it's all about the topic you want to give, quiz name, show, questions, options, all the categories are gonna be there. So you can also go for the copas as well. Like I told you, this is the percentage you wanna get for the students and stuff like that. You can go check the pages. Like it's basically all in one. Like you can get every single thing. Like I give you the demo, is how you can make your own courses and sell online. The institution you can add it, and the students will show here as well. Like it's a whole bunch of pack for all in one you can get. So I hope you really get so much with that one, and I'm also going to make a video later that one how you can earn from it properly, and also guide you regarding this one as well. I hope you get to learn a little bit from me today, and if you find something interesting, always update me, and if something is wrong, you will always correct me so I can improve myself. And I'm gonna send my link down below in the video so you can click and get the click course from there with all these bonuses. Hopefully you guys having a blast. Take care. Till next time. Sayonara.